Welcome, namaste, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally guys, we have the Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy, the definitive edition for PS4 in my hands. I have to say you guys, I am ready to relive my childhood once again. I used to play this a lot. My favorite game is San Andreas. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let your thoughts on the comment section below. Which is your favorite game? Alright, so let's get started. Let's begin our unboxing. Here we have the cover art, a PlayStation seal in the front, Rockstar logo, and in the back we have 3 games showcased here: GTA 3, Vice City and San Andreas. 1 player, the storage capacity, blah 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 as usual. Okay, now let's unwrap it. I hope it got it right. Okay, let's put this all aside. There you go guys, let's open it. Here's the CD, have a look at it guys, and I'll tell you why is this written in Arabic and stuff, because I got this from Dubai. Let's take it out. Shiny as usual guys. Okay, let's put it back. There you go. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon in the next video, which is obviously gameplay, so stay tuned. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents, and that's the secret to long life.